Hey, how's it going? This is Deonte Burden, host of Changing Lives. I want to welcome you to our Business 101 series where we give out information to aspiring entrepreneurs or people that are currently in business to help you explain some of the financial ratios or different tips that you may have regarding creating, uh, operating, or maybe even selling a business. Today we'll be talking about the balance sheet, or sometimes known as the accounting equation. Okay, so what's the balance sheet? The balance sheet gives the financial health of a business at a particular point in time. What I mean by that is it doesn't explain what the uh, company does over a month, a quarter, half the year, or the whole year. It just gives the financial health of a business at that particular point in time, that particular day. That's what the balance sheet states. Okay. Um, Pretty much when you look at the equation, it's assets equals liability plus owners that got equity. What do we look at for as assets? Assets is the thing that the company owns at that particular point in time. That being uh, cash, inventory, property, those things that is owned. When we look on the side when we talk about liabilities, those are the financial obligations that a company have at a certain particular point in time. Those being loans, credit cards, maybe lease payments, and owner's equity. Owner's equity is the portion of ownership that the owner has in the company at that particular point in time. Okay, so you asked me, Deontay, why is this important and how is it used? Okay, when you look at the from a standpoint of being a business owner, you may want to know the financial health because you may want to expand your business and you might be cash strapped. So what could you do? You can either go get you a loan or get some investors and sell equity in your company or ownership in your company. So when you go to a bank to sit here and say that, hey, I want to increase my capital, I need a loan to buy more equipment. The bank wants to look at this same balance sheet that you're looking at to see if you're overextended, you have too many loans already. From that point, they can let you know that, hey, we can't do this because you have too many loan obligations already for us to do that. On the flip side, in your benefit, if you know you don't have that, shouldn't be a problem. Same thing we start talking about trying to meet with investors. You say, hey, listen, I'm trying to increase my capital. You may sell a portion of ownership to an investor. Get, 20, 30% ownership you sell, just like you see on Shark Tank and stuff where they're giving out certain ownership or equity into a company, that when you get that cash, is used the same way to increase capital for you to have cash where you may buy equipment or do certain things or inventory in your business. So that's why the balance sheet is so important. It gives the financial health of a business at a particular point in time. Okay, this is this and more information is on our page, Change Your Life, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden. But most importantly, you can go to our website, well, my company, Majestic Business Services. Visit us on the web, book an appointment, and we can go more in depth about it if you have further questions about it. You can reach us on the web at www.majesticbiz.com. Again, that's Majestic Business Services. You can also call us at 678-479-4007. Again, that's www.majesticbiz.com. Once you're on the website, you can scroll down and schedule an appointment. We do appointments in person. We can do it virtual on the computer. We can do it over the phone, whichever way is comfortable for you. Regardless, we want to make sure you get you squared away so you can learn this great information. Again, this is our Business 101 series. We got a ton of videos out there giving out similar information out there for you guys that are looking to start businesses or currently in businesses. What I want you to do is make sure you also go to the YouTube channel, Changing Lives, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden. Subscribe to it because this is the gate where we're putting most of this information out so you can get to the website to book an appointment so we can make your dreams come true. Take care, guys. I look forward to hearing from you guys.